As he likes to catch his toys, and then he either brings them back to be thrown. Hi, Buzzy. What, honey? Huh? What? He also likes the track balls. He needs a little more space. He's so playful, but he's also so affectionate. He's good with kids, and he's never met a stranger. Everybody he meets, he just comes right up to them, climbs in their lap. So he's a great cat. Gets along with everybody.